Welcome back to another video. And today's video I'll show you how to create a transparent logo using a free website. So if you are looking for a video that can help you to create attracting logo within few minutes, then this video is for you. Hi there, this is Rajiv. If you're first time here, please subscribe my YouTube channel. After clicking the link in the video description, then you will see an interface look like this. Once you are here, in the left side you will see text option, add symbol option, add shape, business cards, and upload images. If you want to upload any type of graphics, then simply click over the upload image, then you can upload from your hard drive. To create a logo, all you need to do is add a text, type your business name here. So let's type our business name. Then you can change the text font style in the clicking over here. Then you can select any of this style, any of this font. So which one you love most, you can see the preview. Simply hover over your mouse in the left side menu. Now add a shape. So you can select this one. You can, if you love this one, you can add it or remove it. In the left side, click over add symbol. Here you will see the most popular symbol. If you love any of this one, you can add simply clicking over the symbol, or you can select symbol based on category. So here you will see lots of categories that I believe that most of this category is connected to your business. You can select any of this category from the left menu, or you can select the most popular one from here. So based on our shop, I think this one is perfect for us. Simply click over the symbol, then you can increase the size clicking over the corner, and if you want, you can change the color. So here, once you select the symbol, in the left side you will see color option. So let's select color that are connected with our title. I think this one is fine. If you want, you can change the text color also by clicking here, and you can give some style on your text by clicking here and here. So once everything is set, you are happy with your design, you are happy with your logo. Now let's download it as a transparent background. So in the top right you will see download option. Before going to download this logo, let's see a preview. Click over the preview icon, then you will see how it will look in t-shirts, in mug, and some other places. So once you are happy with your design, with your logo, simply in the top right you will click. Now in the top right, click over the save and download. After clicking over the save and download, you will see an interface look like this. Now type your email address here. Then click over save and continue. So instantly you will get an email, and in future if you want to edit your logo, you can simply copy this URL and use it in future. Then you will be see in the same interface. And let's check it, this thing, and click over here. After then you will see it will open with your project file. So here is our, if you want, you can simply edit this text and all other things in future. Let's check our email, and here is the email that we have got from the site. Click over the download icon. Here is our logo. Simply click over show in folder. Now copy the file and paste it in our desktop. And extract the file here. So here is our transparent logo. If we open it with GIMP software or any other software, you will see the transparent file. So this is our transparent logo, and this is high quality logo. If you click over here, you will see here is our logo, transparent with transparent background. So this is all about the website and free logo design site. You are ready to use this site, and I think you will get high quality transparent logo for your business. If you love this video, please subscribe my YouTube channel and stay connected. Thanks for watching this video.